Hi guys, my name is Alex and I'm right now in North Carolina. It's super hot. It's summertime, okay? There is no wind or anything. I just try to help you out how you can survive in this hot summer days with a simple solution, simple AC from the Walmart. I'm gonna take you to my van. It's Ford Transit and I just started expediting it like a year ago and I like very much, okay? It's good money and it's just freedom, that's all. This is my 2019 Ford Transit. It's sitting here on the Walmart parking lot, waiting for my next load. And I'm gonna show to you step by step what I did with my AC. First, when I purchased my van, I installed that plug. It's a Noco. It's 15 amp rated, so I can plug my generator, or I can just find the 110 volt power somewhere on the wall, truck stop or factory or something like that, similar, okay? Free energy. Next one is my generator, okay? It's best, my best friend. You don't have to use the Honda, you can use any kind of generator, okay? Alright, let's go inside. This is my AC unit. It's around $300 right now at Walmart. It runs off 7.5 amp and cools down my van very, very good. This is where my hot air is coming out. I made this cardboard template. Painted matte black, and I got that HVIC 4-inch fitting from the Lowe's. That's all. I was thinking spending more money, you know, but small AC gonna cost me $1,600, you know, on the top of my roof. Installation about the $600, and I decided to go with a cheap solution. It worked great, you know. It cost me $320. Of course, you need a power then, okay? You don't have to use Honda generator, you can use any kind of small generator. That AC is gonna run just fine. This little video was about my AC. On next one, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the insulation, what I did, how I soundproof my van, what I did with my TV, with the microwave, how I charge my battery, you know, how I run my fridge. This is going to be on next video, you know, one by one. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe. Thank you.